Before I hand off the mic,
my name is Karen Makoma.
For us as children,
you actually can collect so much information within.
And we even have
here in the month of November for about 3 days.
Okay, to the last. You feel like you overlook this, you think of me.
And if you want to know that that is the reality, early 2023, when we really felt that the cost of basic commodities could not be afforded by ordinary people, we had sufurias on our heads. Today, how many people are in the streets with the sufurias on their heads? I don't see them. It means now the cost of what was being cooked by sufuria has gone down. So that is what I'm saying in a nutshell.
Our exports have done well. The exports of goods have done well. They have grown by 7.7%. Exports of services have also gone up, especially for tourism and for transport and travel. For our goods, you have seen coffee, horticulture, and even tea prices, they have really gone up. And then remittances have increased. Our people in diaspora have done us great, because now we are receiving about 5.084 trillion. It's actually about $5.1 billion in the last 12 months.